When visiting the Oregon coast, you have to stop at one of the iconic fishing towns. Newport, Oregon is exactly that. And a special campground lies only 6 miles south. Whalers Rest RV and Camping Resort. With 18 plus acres, this campground is cozy and surrounded by nature. Whalers Rest is open year-round and has everything a traveler needs for a great camping trip, including an incredibly scenic landscape. There are over 175 RV sites tucked away in this beautiful forest, as well as 20 rental cabins. These cabins are idyllic and the perfect place to enjoy coffee in the morning with the cool ocean breeze or a campfire cookout with family and friends. Afterwards, you can head inside to a spacious, warm cabin to get some rest after a full day of activities. This campground is located just 150 yards from the ocean and gives you unique access to everything the coast has to offer. The town of Newport is right up the road with one of the biggest fisheries in the area. You won't want to miss out on all the shops along the water and the fresh local seafood. There is also a great aquarium, beaches for whale watching, crabbing along the inlet, and much more. The Oregon coast is truly something magnificent to behold. Explore the seaside vistas on a hike, visit small fishing towns and lighthouses, or enjoy a beautiful sunset overlooking the abundant sea life. You will be amazed by the many options the Oregon coast offers visitors. Whether you're just passing by or staying with us for a while, the welcoming Whalers Rest RV and Camping Resort gives you the best the Oregon coast has to offer. Make sure to visit our website to book your coastal stay.